Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Shivtosh Kumar, co-founder of Besugarfit. Cooking healthy meals at home is an important part of managing your diabetes. But fortunately, there are many simple and delicious cooking techniques you can use to prepare nutritious meal that supports your health and well-being. Today, we'll talk about 4 simple tips. Number one technique is grilling. Grilling meats, fish and vegetables add flavor without the need for extra oil or butter. Number 2 is roasting. Roasting vegetables in the oven brings out their natural sweetness and creates crispy edges. Number 3, steaming. Steaming is another great cooking technique for preserving all the nutrients and keeping calorie low. Steamed vegetables retain their vibrant colors and crunchy texture while cooking quickly and evenly. Finally, number 4, sauteing. It is a quick and easy cooking technique that adds flavor and depth to all your dishes. You can use a small amount of olive oil or cooking spray to saute onions, garlic and other aromatics before adding protein and vegetables. See, by incorporating these healthy cooking techniques into your meal preparation, you can enjoy flavorful and nutritious meal that support your diabetes management goal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable diabetes insights. I'll see you in the next one.